Leipzig, a city with a rich history and a vibrant cultural scene, beckons travelers with its artistic heritage, architectural wonders, and dynamic atmosphere. Situated in eastern Germany, Leipzig offers a diverse range of attractions and experiences that cater to history enthusiasts, music lovers, and those seeking an immersive cultural journey. The St. Thomas Church holds a special place in Leipzig's history, as it was the workplace of renowned composer Johann Sebastian Bach. Visitors can attend concerts in this historic church, including performances of Bach's compositions, and pay homage at his grave. The church's famous Thomanerchor choir, founded over 800 years ago, continues to captivate audiences with its melodic prowess. The Leipzig Opera House, one of the world's oldest, hosts spectacular opera and ballet productions, showcasing the city's commitment to musical excellence. Leipzig's musical heritage also extends to the annual Bach Festival, which celebrates the composer's legacy through a series of concerts and events held at various historic venues. The Monument to the Battle of the Nations, a colossal structure commemorating the 1813 Battle of Leipzig, stands as an imposing symbol of history and remembrance. The panoramic views from the top of the monument offer a unique perspective of the city and its surroundings. The Leipzig Zoo, one of the oldest in the world, is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. It features a diverse collection of animals and habitats, including the unique Gondwanaland Tropical Rainforest Hall, providing an immersive experience in various ecosystems. Leipzig's creative energy is evident in its thriving arts scene, with galleries, studios, and cultural spaces that showcase contemporary works. The Spinnerei, a former cotton mill, has been transformed into a vibrant art complex housing galleries, studios, and exhibition spaces, offering insights into Leipzig's modern artistic expressions. For a taste of local culture, the historic Auerbach's Keller, mentioned in Goethe's Faust, is a traditional wine tavern that invites visitors to savor regional cuisine and soak in its historical ambience. Leipzig's urban development is complemented by the Karl-Liebknecht-Straße district, known for its alternative vibe, street art, and eclectic shops. This area, along with the Südverstadt district, is a hub of creativity, featuring a mix of vintage boutiques, cafes, and local businesses. In essence, Leipzig is a city that effortlessly combines its historical legacy with contemporary innovation. Whether it's immersing in its musical heritage, exploring architectural marvels, embracing artistic expressions, or simply strolling through its charming streets, Leipzig invites travelers to embark on a journey that captures the heart and soul of Germany's cultural landscape.